Get more cars through your service lane in less time with Xtime. With 4 connected service solutions, Invite, Schedule, Engage, and Inspect, Xtime Spectrum delivers one complete end-to-end service experience for both your customers and service team to drive transparency, efficiency, and service profitability. Invite is a powerful multi-channel marketing tool with integrated scheduling, strategic segmenting, and outbound BDC tools. Generate 111 more ROs per month by marketing to distinct audiences, targeting specific repairs, and recapturing more declined services. And bring more service customers in the door and keep them coming back with personalized promotions and invitations that drive loyalty. Schedule empowers you to optimize shop capacity with easy-to-use service appointment technology for your customers and your service advisors that increase retention by 15%. With online, mobile, and over-the-phone scheduling options, integrated ride-sharing capabilities powered by Lyft, and powerful shop capacity management tools, you can maximize your service department's potential to operate at peak efficiency. Engage gives you the tools to create a superior check-in, check-out experience for your customers while boosting service lane revenue by $17 per RO. With Tablet Walkaround, you get instant access to service history, recommendations, and previously declined services. And you can communicate with customers via text message to deliver convenient status updates during the entire service process. Inspect gives you the tools to take videos of recommended repairs and show them to your customers while also boosting service revenue by $137 per RO. With built-in multimedia, integrated customer approvals, and instant inter-dealership communication tools, you get ASR approvals in as fast as 6 minutes. Service more cars in less time with Xtime and make it easy for your customers to say yes to recommended repairs with 4 solutions that work seamlessly together to deliver one complete service experience. And with the power of Cox Automotive behind your service technology, you connect service and retail to deliver one better experience for you and your customers with one trusted partner. Discover more at xtime.com.